Day 62, miss 61.
What? 61? Oh, yeah, we missed 61. Nothing happened. Move along there.
But also, yeah.
Today, it's Friday.
Friday!
It's half term.
Woo!
It's for us, it's a big
I
deal.
made
Some of
five weeks of
Five,
online home learning, like massive. I had an inset day the Monday of 5 weeks ago.
Ow, on my face.
Where they told us everything we'd done the previous couple of weeks had to be turned on its head. My freaking amazing colleagues and me turned everything around in 24 hours.
24 or 72 or something?
No, 24. We completely changed the way we talk in 24 hours. And we survived 5 weeks. Freaking awesome.
Yeah.
We've all got a week off. Just got some reports to write, but that's fine. That's normal half term.
If you're not a teacher, I feel sorry for you.
But it's normal. And anyone who sits there and says, oh my God, the teachers have got a week off. We've got reports to write. We do this every, May half term. Don't have the time off. We're still working. We just don't have to do the contact. We're still working.
Anyway, that's half term. And what's more exciting is yesterday, which I'll show you sometime tomorrow, we bought one of those big, massive, 10-foot round
swimming
pool things. I mean, you can only swim in it, but it's big.
We get to sit in it.
We can sit in it. And the only problem is that we haven't got any heating for it yet, so it's a bit chilly to go in. And we need to get the chemical stuff, to make it chlorinated so it's clean and doesn't get gunky.
Also,
and the
this is really bad.
It's out of stock. It's all out of stock.
Yeah, this is really bad. We wanted to buy a different kind of one, and we couldn't get that, so we bought this one because it was in stock. We might buy a new one.
Yeah, this is quite a cheap one.
But basically, we're going to keep this one as well, so we can have a double pool party.
But the reason we did it is because we think, well, look, if we can't go out anywhere this summer, we've got a reasonable space in the garden. If the weather's nice, it's been so amazing this year. I can't believe it'll stay the rest of the year, but it might. Why not spend a bit of money on entertaining yourself at home?
That's this cost us maybe a fifth of what we might spend on a holiday.
Getting a heater and some chemicals and the pool itself. The water's it's like a 10 baths worth of water in there, but
can I just say
it's worth it, isn't it?
Also, big shout out to my mum who
spent a few £100 just going on away for the
bought us a nice box of wine to say thank you to you for doing all her shopping.
I've been doing shopping at the shopping day today.
Oh, it was awesome.
It was the same. I mean, it wasn't busy. It wasn't less busy. It was.
You were out for hours.
It just took forever today. It really did. I was a long time getting in. Well, really a long time. But loads of people I knew.
Oh my God, we had the weirdest thing yesterday though.
Last night.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that helped with this.
So I really struggled with working today. I wanted to write. So yesterday I wrote years 1, 2, and 3 reports.
Oh, reports, sorry.
Today I wanted to write year 4, so I only had 5 and 6 to go. I couldn't write them because my head was spinning because this happened.
At 3:20 this morning, we were both awoken by the smoke alarm in our room, which started having a hissy fit. It went sort of beep.
Right, so it's no beeping. I'm going to say, can you hold this because this is in my hand now. I'm going to say that those people who know me really well know how calm and collected I am in a crisis. Shush, I'm acting.
So nobody knows you well.
I'm acting. Shush. I'm really calm and collected in a crisis. I don't overreact at all.
Okay, so it's 3:20
Shush,
and this
shush,
thing goes...
Shush. I don't overreact.
Get on with the
I'm
story.
setting the scene. I'm acting.
Okay, we've only got 2 minutes
It's a
left.
monologue. Shush. I'm calm and collected in a crisis. I am never known to overreact. 3:20, the alarm goes off. Both jump out of bed. Picture the scene. Nice calm. I mean, I'm like, he's a...
So She's such a snorer.
I'm doing the combination between the two of us. I have to kick
when I'm watching my TV.
Shush.
This is so noisy. You can't hear
but
the
I'm doing a combination between the two of us where we're like...
And I'll say... Okay,
And
there
I'm
was a
like,
lot of snoring going on. Because it was happening to my
anyway,
bedroom.
whatever.
And then beep, beep.
This
beep,
is
beep,
like,
and then
and we're literally,
beep, 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 beep,
and we're
beep,
like,
beep. Ah,
what?
what the hell? What the
Ah!
hell? And I'm
Right?
thinking,
And so we both jump out of bed.
thinking, okay,
And
the
like,
smoke alarm in our bedroom's
no,
going
no,
off. That
no,
must mean
no.
that downstairs is where the fire is.
I didn't even
And
acknowledge.
the whole of the ground floor must be completely
I
ablaze.
didn't even acknowledge the smoke alarm in our bedroom had gone off. I just heard a smoke alarm.
Yeah, I could
So we
tell it
go
was
down
going
to
on.
the, so we
So
have a hold on, just to explain to our viewers who might not know
Our
our
viewers.
right. We've
We're on the top
got
floor.
we've got a loft conversion, so we're on the third floor.
Second
floor,
Unless you're
depending whether
American,
you're
it could be the third floor.
right.
Hi guys.
And we go down to our mezzanine area.
The first floor. Mezzanine area. Then we're not in a blooming hotel. Into the lobby. The lobby one.
I'm in the corridor and I'm going, children, get off the fire alarm's
She's
going.
got down this teacher mode. Right, fire alarm. Line up carefully.
The fire
Check
alarm.
the registers with us.
I mean, bear in mind it's 3:20 and I'm like going, I don't know where the sound's coming from.
I was trying to
And,
work out
and
what's
then
going
you
on.
were trying to work out what's going on. I was like, I'm going to go downstairs. And genuinely, I was like, the alarm's going off.
Because both of us thought this. We thought, we can't smell smoke. Perhaps we've got COVID because you can't smell anything. So we'd obviously caught the COVID things, couldn't smell anything, and our house was on fire. I mean, what was going on?
I was like,
This is the
I was
worst
expecting
night ever.
flames. I was expecting
Yeah,
someone to
the
fight
kitchen-
stuff off.
The kitchen was totally
I
gone.
walked into the kitchen and went,
There's nothing.
but I was
Everything was
like,
totally
I was like,
silent.
children, there's a fire alarm.
So all I did eventually was go, press that little button, and it kind of stopped, and that was it.
There was no issue.
I have no idea what. So if you two have
Oh
had
my God, I'm such a
weird,
teacher.
I've had
I'm
a
a
weird
teacher.
fire alarm experience where it's just randomly gone off. It's one of the, it's not a smoke alarm with a battery or anything. It's just all wired in. Because when we had the loft done, it has to. Every room's got them in.
You
now.
eventually just press a button. But oh my God,
So I don't even
just
know.
what
How do you
makes
turn
me
them
laugh.
off? How do you turn
I
fire
don't know.
alarms off?
I don't. Answers below.
is
But
there like a
also,
blue switch
oh
or
my
something?
God, answers below. If you would be the teacher thing and try to evacuate your children.
The first thing you thought, get the children out first.
I mean, it just shows I'm a responsible teacher.
Obviously, yeah.
There I was. Fire alarm! Get out! I took a register and everything. I didn't.
She gets ready to buy her bed. It has 3 names on it: Daddy, Gabriel, and Jack.
What's it Gabriel and Jack? Oh my God.
No, they're like, what in the morning?
They were like, didn't even hear it. So yeah, so that was our excitement.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's another day.
Oops, I think it's gone.
I'm really quite pleased we didn't talk
But
yesterday because this
hopefully-
is much more fun.
Tonight, we will have a fire alarm free night.
And also no alarm in the morning. It's half
Yay,
term.
sleepy start.
Woo!
Right.
Love you.
See you soon. Bye.
To be continued. I can't turn
Press
it
the
off.
button. Like
It doesn't
that
want it
police
to turn-
squad.
It doesn't want it to turn off.
There's an eternal video. Bye, everyone. Oh, so my thumb's on the screen.